Hi my lovely people, you're welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be sharing this chicken pie recipe with you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. So this is what I'm going to be using for the fillings. This is my chopped onions, carrots, my Irish potato, then my chicken. So in a pot I've already added 2 tablespoons of oil. So add my onions, stir fry it very well. Then the next thing is to add my chicken. So we'll stir fry it. We're not going to be adding anything. We'll stir fry it first. We'll allow it to bring out some water out on its own without adding any. So guys, this is how it's looking after some minutes. So what we're going to be doing now is to add our spices. Don't worry about the recipe. I'm going to be dropping everything in my description box, so check it out there. You see everything I use, both the spices and every other thing that I use in it. So I've added my spices, I've added everything. You mix it very well. So when you're done mixing it, this is me adding my salt. When you're done mixing it, you cover it and allow it to cook for a few minutes. So this is how it's looking after a few minutes. Now we are going to be adding water so that the meat will cook very well. So you cover it and allow it to cook. Oh, at this point the aroma is something else. The fry, you taste it to know if there is anything you need to add, especially salt. But me, I'm not adding anything. It's perfectly okay like this. So I'll go in with my Irish potato. Then going with my carrots. We'll mix it. Mix it together. So add water so that the Irish potato and the carrots will cook a little. Please don't add too much water. This is how it's looking after a few minutes. So what we're going to do now is to add our thickener. I'm using 2 tablespoons of flour for as my thickener. But if you have corn flour, you can actually use corn flour. But me, I'm using 2 tablespoons. Any of them can go. So the essence of adding it is for it not to be watery, so that it will thicken up a bit. When you're done stir frying it, you cover it just for a few minutes. This is how it's looking after a few minutes. Can you see how beautiful it's looking? So beautiful and tastes so nice as well. So this is it, not too thick and not too watery. So what we are going to do now is to set it aside, allow it to cool down while we prepare our dough. Our fillings is ready. So in a bowl I have my 6 cups of flour. I've added 2 tablespoons of sugar, add my baking powder, salt, then I'll mix it very well. Make sure you combine it together very well. Once you're done combining, the next thing to do is to add your cold butter. Please let your butter be cold. While you making chicken pie, meat pie, all those things, they need something cold. So at this point, I'm using my two hands. It's not something I can do with one of my hands. So mix them very well. This is how it's looking. It is well mixed. Then we'll start adding our water. I added first 1 cup of water, cold water. Please, emphasis on cold water. Use cold water when you're doing anything you're doing. You're making meat pie, chicken, fish pie, all those things, they need cold water. It will help it. Combine them, bring them together. Then I'm adding another 1/2 cup of water. In total, I use 1.5 cup of water. But when you're doing your own, just be careful. Add your water gradually. Let your dough not be watery. Let it not be too hard. Once it's coming together like this, don't add water again. I added little more water just to use it and bring it together. So that is all for the dough. We are going to cover it and allow it to settle for a few minutes. So this is after a few minutes how it's looking like. The next thing now is to cut it. So first of all, I'm going to divide it into smaller pieces. Please, if you have watched up to this point, please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. So we'll take one of it, then we'll roll. Just roll it flat, not too flat though, but let it not be thick though. So you place it on your meat pie cutter, then you add your fillings. So this is my filling. So the next thing to do is to rub it egg. You use you break one egg that you're going to be using to rub it. The essence of rubbing it egg is for you not to open. If you don't rub it egg, when you close it, if you want to open it, it will scatter. Or maybe when you're baking it will scatter. So now you close it, press it very well. If you don't press it, it will scatter. Then remove the excess. Then gently open it. Oh, see how beautiful it's looking. So this is how we are going to be doing it. Repeat the process until you finish everything. It's very simple, it's not difficult. Just try the recipe. It's good for commercial purpose, business, Even if you don't want to do it for business, you can just do it for the family to enjoy. Instead of always going out to buy one meat pie, chicken pie for 1,000 plus. It's just very simple. And it's beginners friendly. Even if you haven't done it before, looking at this process, you'll be able to do it. Please don't forget to rub your egg on it before closing it. Then we remove the excess. Gently remove it. So beautiful. So at this point, I'm done rolling everything. This is how it's looking. So next thing to do is to use your brush, rub your egg on it, so that even when you're done baking it, it will be shining. So guys, this is how the meat pie is looking. So fine, so beautiful, so yummy and delicious, and it tastes so nice. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video. Bye.